Welcome to Zero to Million. Sometimes people feel stuck. Maybe they aren't making the money that they'd like in a job. Or just want a little extra to buy something or go on a vacation. Things don't change on their own. Here are 41 profitable side hustle ideas to make extra money. Sell items on eBay, Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. One of the surest ways you can make a little extra money if you're in a bind is to sell items on sites like eBay, Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Any used items like furniture, household appliances, collectibles or anything else that you're just not using or are collecting dust, can be sold online to make extra cash. If you're serious about this, you can even do it professionally for others and collect a small commission for each sale. Recycle used smartphones on Gazelle. While it's not the most lucrative side hustle, you will be able to get a little bit of extra money that might just help you out depending on your financial situation. Drive for Uber or Lyft. The sharing economy has quite literally exploded, and both Uber and Lyft are at the forefront. Deliver for Postmates. Another great option for earning extra income is to deliver for Postmates. Similar to working for Uber and Lyft, you can work whenever you want. While the pay might not be enormous, you do have the ability to earn tips. A similar food delivery service is DoorDash. Rent your spare room on Airbnb. Airbnb offers a great resource for people that are willing to rent out a spare room or even their entire home. If you're in a bind for some fast cash, Airbnb offers you an avenue for creating a great side hustle. You'll get paid 24 hours after a guest checks in, which is to avoid any problems or potential scams that might arise. Manage social media for small businesses. Many small businesses need a social media manager and simply don't have the time nor the expertise to be constantly posting on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat or Twitter. Take it upon yourself to contact local businesses and offer up your services for a contracted monthly fee. Managing a social media account is an easy way to make extra money online no matter where you live. Sell services on Fiverr. Although services start out at $5, some Fiverr sellers are earning six-figure plus revenues annually. You can sell just about anything on this platform, from podcast development to proofreading. Tutor over Skype. Another creative side hustle idea: you can tutor people over Skype, no matter where you might live. This is great, especially if you're a digital nomad and you're looking to earn more money than the local job market can potentially provide. Tutor people from the United States or United Kingdom if you're traveling through Asia or another low-cost-of-living country around the world. Start a blog. Okay, so you won't make good money that fast with a blog. But, if you start a blog and deliver enormous amounts of value, you could set yourself up with a platform for earning a tremendous amount of passive income. This hustle idea is something you can easily build on the side with just a few hours of work per week, but you need to stay consistent and post great content regularly. Create an online course. Create an online course with a platform like Udemy or Teachable and leverage some of your skills to create a healthy extra income. Depending upon how much time you invest in your course, you could make a substantial side revenue stream by creating courses that deliver tremendous amounts of value. Build a sales funnel with ClickFunnels. As an online marketer and a software engineer, I am obsessed with sales funnels. However, many people struggle with creating the proper funnel that converts. It takes a high degree of technical and marketing knowledge. However, ClickFunnels, a SaaS business with over 40,000 customers, which was started by Russell Brunson, takes all the guesswork out of that. Build a sales funnel and automate your selling with a platform like this. Write an ebook. I've long been drawn to the passive income supplied by creating an ebook and publishing an accompanied print-on-demand paperback. By using platforms like KDP and CreateSpace, both by Amazon, you can easily create and sell an ebook that costs nothing to produce, and a paperback that earns you money only when it sells, removing much of the prior friction it took to get published. Produce an audiobook. Use a platform like ACX to create and sell audiobooks on platforms like Audible and iTunes. If you have a great idea for a non-fiction audiobook where you can teach a difficult skill, like stock trading, foreign currency investing, accounting, online marketing or others, you can easily create a 5-figure monthly income with the right volume of audiobooks. Become a personal chef. Are you a good cook? You could become a personal chef and prepare meals for other people. You could easily market your services on social media or even go all out and build yourself a website. There are also plenty of websites you can use to market your services, such as Hire a Chef. Almost anyone can walk dogs. If you live in a dog-filled neighborhood, create a few flyers on your computer and slip them into mailboxes. Identify yourself as a dog walker and pitch your price. Build up a steady stream of clients and your dog walking service will grow over time. Babysit or become a nanny. If you need to make some quick cash, you could always start babysitting or even become a part-time nanny. You use a variety of sites to do this, like care.com or Sitter City, or even post your services on social media sites. You'll get vetted and rated for your services, so be sure to provide a top-notch experience. Clean houses. Housekeeping is always a viable side hustle. There are loads of private families and homeowners that are renting out their homes on a short-term basis that need housekeeping or house cleaning services. You can list your services on a site like housekeeper.com and many others to promote your services. Participate in marketing focus groups. Marketing companies are always holding focus groups to study the consumer's response to products, services and advertisements across a variety of mediums. I used to participate in these studies often in college, and so can you, to generate some extra cash. You don't need any special training to do it. Have a garage sale. You could always hold a garage sale to make some extra money by getting rid of excess clutter in your house. This is great if you have children that have outgrown toys, or you simply have a large number of items that you're looking to part ways with. Post up some signs around town or advertise on Craigslist. Create YouTube tutorials. Although this isn't the quickest way you can make extra income, creating YouTube tutorials can help you earn a respectable amount of money as long as what you deliver is engaging and keeps people interested for long enough. You could also use free tutorials to upsell viewers on products and services you might be offering. Sell technical services on Upwork. I've used Upwork as a platform to hire graphic and web designers for a long time. But Upwork also provides a platform for accountants, lawyers and other professionals to earn money. Keep in mind that you're competing with thousands of other service providers, so getting this off the ground will take you some time. Design logos on 99 Designs. If you're graphically inclined and can use programs like Photoshop and Illustrator, you could potentially compete for design work on 99 Designs. However, you won't get paid unless your graphic design is chosen as the winning design, meaning you need to be a very good designer to make extra income that's worthwhile here. Use TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit links you up with people that are looking to complete specific tasks in your area. Tasks include things like lifting heavy furniture, assembling furniture and so on. You'll need to register and get vetted, but it's a simple way you can make a bit of extra income in your spare time. Sell products on Etsy. Another perfect side hustle. Use Etsy to sell crafts or other homemade items. Etsy is one of the largest resources for selling handmade goods on the internet. You could also sell digital items such as digital posters that can be printed out. Teach a language. If you know a second language, and you're well versed enough in it, you could teach it to others as a second job. If you're traveling as a digital nomad, you could teach English as a second language in your country of choice. Wash and detail cars. Wash and detail cars in your area. Hand out flyers in your neighborhood or post on social media offering your services. Mobile car washing and detailing has become a relatively lucrative business in more upscale neighborhoods. Open a mobile pet grooming service. Try your hand at pet grooming. Purchase and outfit a mobile van so that you can groom pets on the go. This does require a small investment, but it's a side job you could enjoy when you have spare time. Start a food truck. Purchasing a food truck requires a substantial investment, but the food truck business is growing significantly. Location and cuisine choice is important to the success of this side hustle. Be sure to do ample research before getting started. Become a freelance article writer. Earn extra bucks by freelance writing articles for other people. If you have a passion for writing, you could help out other bloggers or even become a ghostwriter for well-known business leaders. Use sites like Freelancer, Upwork and others to advertise your services as a freelance writer. Personal training. A great option for the fitness junkie. Find clients you can help out to achieve their weight loss or fitness goals. Create meal plans or construct workout routines, and you could make an admirable income for your efforts. Make sure to get the proper fitness training certifications first. Give music lessons. If you play the piano, guitar or another instrument, consider teaching others in your local area. Advertise online through social media or through your personal or professional networks. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is an extremely alluring industry. However, many affiliate marketers don't make much money. If you have the skills it takes to succeed in this arena, you could quite literally make a small fortune. But be careful not to get drawn into pie-in-the-sky hopes or dreams of making easy money without putting in much effort. Do email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most profitable forms of marketing that exists in the digital marketing space. However, attracting subscribers and making a personal connection with them takes a good deal of work. Use platforms like Lead Pages, Orba, Constant Contact, MailChimp and ConvertKit to get things off the ground. Write resumes. If you have a skill for writing resumes, use sites like LinkedIn and other professional platforms to advertise your resume writing services. Do a few for free and grab some raving reviews, then watch your sales skyrocket. 35. Become a house sitter. Become a professional house sitter and watch homes for people that go on vacation or have a second home and don't spend much time there. HouseSitter.com and Care.com both offer house-sitting jobs. Teach driving lessons to students. Become a local tour guide. If you live in a vacation destination, consider becoming a local tour guide. You could even offer your services for free and then ask for a tip at the end, drawing more people into touring with you. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are in high demand, but it only makes sense from an income standpoint if you have the spare time and are highly organized, because the workload can rival full-time work. Do interior decorating. If you have an eye for design, consider doing interior decorating for clients. Use a site like Houzz to advertise your skill and services to the masses. Once you've gained experience, you can even consider starting your own business. Sell on CafePress. CafePress allows you to sell items that feature a digital design. If you're a great graphic designer, you could create a number of designs that would fit different formats such as shirts, hats and cups, and earn a commission when they sell. CafePress will pay you for every item sold in your store. The more you sell, the higher your profits will be. There are no upfront costs involved in setting up a store on CafePress, and you can even add links to your store from other websites or social media accounts. So if you have a creative side and want to make some extra cash, selling items on CafePress could be the perfect side hustle. Invest with Lending Club. Lending Club is a peer-to-peer lending service that you can invest in. If you have some extra cash and you're looking to put it to use, you can leverage this platform to invest in businesses from a wide range of industries.